What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today is an exciting day since I had my very last two final exams today and I am out of school for the summer. That, for you guys, means a lot more videos. So, I'm super excited. I'm so glad to have final exams over with. My brain had given up for the year, and now I am ready to have a great summer and do some videos for you guys. So, I figured I'd start today's video off with something pretty cool. I'm going to show you how to create a fake virus on a computer. Now, it's super easy to do, and it doesn't harm whatever computer you're doing it on in any way. It's super fun stuff. So, let's say I open up my computer one day and I see here on the desktop is Windows Defender. Okay, I mean, seems okay, right? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open Windows Defender. Oh no, Windows Defender has detected 4 viruses. Would you like to delete them? Why, yes, I would. Click yes. Oh no, Windows Defender was unable to delete the viruses. Retry. Oh no, Windows has detected that there may be a hacker hacking your system. Oh no, a hacker has stolen all of your personal information, including your photos, videos, documents, downloads, and other files. Okay. Uh-oh, all of your information has been sent to the CIA and FBI, and now they are coming from you. Abort, abort, abort. The CIA and FBI now have all your information. Have a nice day. Okay, so as you got farther into the string of fake virus text, it's obvious that it was fake, but it looks pretty real, doesn't it? Well, I'm going to show you how to create that today. So I've gone ahead and put a document together, a notepad document that has the steps on how to do this, and I will put a link to this document in the description so you guys can try it out for yourself. And yeah, so basically what you want to do first is go ahead and open up Notepad. So we're going to open Notepad, and this is going to be the canvas for our virus. And the first thing that you want to do is copy in this X equals message box text. So this goes to here. I'm going to copy it and then paste it in right here. And this is going to be the first title of your message. So let's say I want the title to be, I haven't even thought about what I might do. So let's say I want the title to be error. Let's just say we'll just keep it simple. Let's have the title be error. And what the message description is going to be, let's say your computer has been hacked. Now, you can get this to say anything, so be creative. And if there's some person that you really hate, make sure you get on their computer and do this. Now, that's not it. In order to be able to choose the message, like what choices you have, like just okay, yes/no, yes/cancel, whatever, you can choose all that. So if I go into my how-to document here, you can say here each number is what it means. So let's just say I want it to just be the OK button. So we'll keep that at 0. And what do we want the icon that appears in the message to be? Well, that sounds pretty serious that your computer's hacked. So let's change the 16 to 48. So this is the second 16. We didn't end up changing this first one right here, but you could if you wanted. And I did that a few times in the one I just showed you. So let's change this to 48. And now, you don't have to be done with it yet, but I would recommend just go ahead and saving it. So I'm going to save it as fake virus for YouTube. And make sure at the very end you put .vbs. This is the most important, and that's what's going to get it to work. So then you want to go ahead and click save. And then it should save that file somewhere. Did it save it on the desktop? I don't think it saved it on the desktop. So it's probably in File Explorer somewhere. So Documents, and it should be fake virus for YouTube. It should be somewhere. Here it is, right here. And so look what happens when we open that up. Oh no, your computer has been hacked. And you can see it's error like we titled it, and the message like we titled it. We wanted it to just be okay, so it's just okay. We wanted there to be a warning icon, so there's a warning icon. And that's it. But I'm going to go ahead. Let's say you don't want to just have one message. You want to add more to this message. So what you want to do is press enter twice. There has to be a line in between each message box. So let's say we want this to be Let's say we want this to be troubleshoot. And let's make it a question. Would you like to troubleshoot this error? question mark. Now, we don't want it to just be an OK button, so let's go ahead and get a little more creative here. And let's see, where is my tutorial one? Here it is. So let's say we want it to have a OK and cancel button. Well, we're going to change this 0 right here to a 1. And let's say we want it to be let's do a critical icon, or a help icon for 32, since it's help, we're troubleshooting it. So change that to 32. I am going to go ahead and save it, and then we're going to go ahead and run that again and see how it's changed. Your computer has been hacked. Would you like to troubleshoot this error? Okay, cancel. Unfortunately, you can't choose what actually happens when you click a button. Whatever OK or cancel or whatever you click, it's going to show the same thing. But that could actually be good because it makes it seem more like a malicious virus. Now, you can keep this going as long as you want. I don't want to do any more since it just kind of takes away from the purpose of the video. But I'll put the one I made that has most of the combinations. I'll put that in the description, and I'll also put a link to the instructions in the description. But we're not done just yet. So basically what you want to do, I'm going to go ahead and save that. I think I already did, but I'm going to close it. Now, locate the fake virus right here. And you can see that doesn't look very unique. That icon does not make it, it's just a little script since it's a VBS script. So what you want to do is right-click it, make sure it's anywhere but your desktop. So if it's on your desktop, just drag it somewhere else into a different folder. So now what you want to do is go ahead, right-click, hover your mouse over Send To, and then go to Desktop and create Shortcut. This will allow us to do some more things with it. So you can see here we have our desktop shortcut. And let's say we want to name this something else. Let's say we name it Internet Explorer, if anybody still uses that. And now that's still, sure, it's going to work fine, but does that look anything like Internet Explorer? No, it doesn't. So let's change that. Right-click on it and go to the bottom and click Properties. Now, go to the Shortcut tab if it's not already on Shortcut, and go to Change Icon. You can either browse for your own icon, which is what I did with the Windows Defender one, but to save time here, let's just go ahead and find an Internet Explorer icon. There should be some Internet Explorer icon somewhere in the ones that they give you to choose from. Oh, I see one. And now go ahead and click OK. And what is this? This looks just like Internet Explorer. And chances are you won't need to be right-clicking and pressing properties, so you actually see that it's a VB script file. So let's just say your person says, maybe do this on someone not as tech-savvy and go, okay, so you got an old man saying, I'm going to go browse the internet so I can check my iMail. I'm going to go ahead and do the Internet Explorer. Oh, my Lord, what is this error? I've been hacked. Okay, would you like to troubleshoot? Yes, I would. Oh, no, what's going on? So, I know that was super cringy, but you get the point. It's a fake virus, and it doesn't do any harm to your computer whatsoever. The instructions with all the codes will be in the description. I'll put a link to where to that file, and that's really all I have to show you. It's completely harmless, just for fun. Harmless prank you can pull. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I need video ideas for the summer. I want to do tons of good videos for you guys this summer. So please submit your ideas in the comments below. And make sure to visit my website. You may not know that I have a website. I will put a link to it in the description. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.